In this video, we're going to tell you the secrets that Penfed doesn't want you to know. Penfed is one of the top 10 credit unions, and anyone can join. You don't have to be in the military or be at the Pentagon. You can join this credit union with just a $5 opening deposit.
That's right. And Penfed also offers a free checking account and the Access America checking account, which gives you a lot of benefits. All right, one of the first secrets is if you become a Penfed Honors Advantage member, it opens you up to a lot of benefits. So stick around to the end of the video. We're going to tell you several secrets about Penfed Federal Credit Union.
Penfed has 4 different credit cards, and they offer up to $25,000 limit on each card. The wonderful thing about Penfed is you can get pre-qualified right on their website, and it doesn't even affect your credit score. Let's kick it off and talk about these amazing cards that Penfed offers. The first card is the Gold Card. It has a 0% APR for up to 15 months. Can you imagine transferring a balance with a high interest rate from one of your other credit cards onto this Penfed card and have 0% interest for 15 months? Also, this card has no annual fee. Now we have Power Cash Rewards Signature Visa Card. This card has a 0% annual fee. It also gives you 1.5% on all purchases. This card gives you a $100 statement credit once you spend $1,500 in the first 90 days. These cards are amazing.
All right, the next card is the Platinum Rewards Visa Signature Card. This card is great for your everyday shopping. If you go to the supermarkets and shop all the time, this is the card to have. All right, this card has a no annual fee and 15,000 bonus points when you spend $1,500 in the first 90 days. So this is the card that you take to Walmart, Target, or the gas station and you just spend every day. These cards are absolutely amazing, especially with no annual fee. All right, lastly, we got the Pathfinder Rewards Visa Card. You get 50,000 bonus points when you spend $3,000 in the first 90 days. You get a complimentary priority pass in the airport. Now, this is the card that I would use if I was traveling. Gloria and I travel a lot, and if you're a Penfed Honors Advantage member, it waives the annual fee. And you can get up to a $799 travel value out of this card. This is the card I will use as I'm traveling around the world. All right, to me, this is the big secret about Penfed. They only pull your credit one time when you become a member. Now, in this 30-day period that they give you, you may be able to get a credit card and a loan, or a credit card and a car. You can get multiple products with this one inquiry on your credit.
That's right, there's only one inquiry when you're applying for a product that's good for 30 days with Penfed Credit Union. Just take one note. Penfed normally pulls Equifax, but here lately they've been pulling Experian. So you need to have a 680 credit score, but if you don't have a 680 credit score, just keep in mind you still would like to build a relationship with this bank because it's one of the top 10 in the country. I would at least wait 1 week before applying for multiple products because the more products you apply for, they're going to ask for more documents. So just keep that in mind.
All right, the next secret we're going to talk about is Penfed's personal loan. This is real quiet kept. It goes up to $50,000 and you can finance it up to 60 months. No origination fee, no early prepayment. This is a great loan if you're looking to get married, want to buy furniture, or maybe you want to do debt consolidation. This is an amazing loan. If you got great credit, you can get up to $50,000 in a personal loan. Penfed will give you a power buyer certificate. That's right, a certificate that makes your offer for a home just as strong as a cash buyer. Now, isn't that exciting?
And let's not forget, it's good for 60 days. But remember, they may have to pull all 3 credit bureaus in order to get you approved for this.
Now, for you business owners, Penfed does not have a business side, but if you want to join our mentorship, look in the description below. We have a mentorship where we help small business owners raise capital for their business and create a system of raising capital every 3 to 6 months. So if you're interested, look in the description below.
Now YouTube is about to recommend another video that we think you should watch. Now don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel.
I'm Mr. Smith.
And I'm Mrs. Smith.
And we're here to help empower your finances.